And it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. I got one more video for you guys. Tonight, we're going to talk about the Bath & Body Works Christmas Storybook collection, which Scooby-Doo Mystery is not online. I have no idea why this is not online. It is in my store. And this Saturday, we're supposed to have a mega body care day, which I think is going to be huge. So I would hold off on buying any body care until Saturday. I think tomorrow we're having a soap sale. As soon as I get the price on body care day, I will start talking about it because I am excited. This is going to be a huge stock up event for Christmas. The faceted, hopefully they have the body butters included, the shapeable soap, the diamond shimmer lotions or the diamond shimmer fizz, and then the shimmer fizz lotion, all of it. I'm really hoping the moisturizing body wash. I just saw on Instagram someone was posting that Canada, I think, is going to be $5.95. I don't know what the price point yet is going to be, but let's hope it is low. So I'm going to have more about this mega body care day as soon as I have more news. But right now, I'm going to talk about the Storybook collection that a lot of people are going to want to pick up for Body Care Day. But before I do that, I'm going to put up a screenshot. Check out these cute little mini candles. Everyone's kind of talking about these. I have seen them. They're super pricey. I think they're like $32 for a 3-set. That's a lot. I think they're 4 ounces. I do have a Halloween one around here somewhere. I gotta find it. It's like real tiny. They're cute. I don't know if they're really worth it. I think one's like a fruity one. It's like champagne toast, a peach Bellini. And then the other one is, what was the other one? Sugar and Snickerdoodle, Fireside, and Christmas tree. What's Christmas tree? Christmas tree. What the heck is Christmas tree? Oh my, what is Christmas tree? I just haven't seen that. Oh my gosh, now I gotta look. I just had these up, mini candles. Now I gotta look for them. I think they were on like page, if you type in candles and you go to like page 4, 3 or 4, I think, oh yeah, here they are. What the heck is Christmas tree? Oh my goodness, you guys. Santa's selections. Under the Christmas tree. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm like, what the heck? Okay, that was actually kind of funny. So yeah, they're cute. If they go on sale, 40% off, I might get one for a gift, but I don't know if I want to pay that much money for them. So we got to talk about the Storybook collection. I talked about, like I said, the Festive Forest yesterday. These, by the way, are super cute. I got to say, I love the packaging. I don't have the cream or the lotion yet. I have 2 shower gels. I think I have 2. Yeah, 2 shower gels. Where's the rest? I gotta scoot. Hold on. I'm coming back. I'm back. Check it out. I got 1 shower gel. I'm leaving again. I got 2 shower gels. I got all my stuff all over the place, by the way. So I do have some shower gels too. I actually have, believe it or not, I actually have all 3 of the shower gels too. I just don't have the cream or the lotion, which if we have the mega body care day, I think I'm gonna get. So, Jolly Gingerbread Village, which is golden gingerbread vanilla icicles and Yuletide timber. Now everyone wanted this bakery gingerbread set, and we got timber. This is an odd one, you guys. I wonder if there's any reviews yet. Oh my gosh. I was really curious to see. Oh wait, there are no reviews. You know why? Because it's not online. I want to know what other people think of this one. I saw a few comments on my channel that everyone kind of does agree with me. That there's like an odd note in here that kind of smells like a cabin. But it's not a full-on bakery scent. I really wish it was. The packaging's adorable. I tried the shower gel. It kind of smells like timber. I don't know. We're going to have to get a whole set of this, and I'm going to do a full review. Frosted Coconut Snowball. Everyone loves Frosted Coconut Snowball, I think except me. I don't like winter coconut. It's not bad. It's a good scent. It's just not my scent. It's the frosted coconut, North Pole vanilla, winter freesia, snow-kissed woods, and spun sugar. It's beautiful. I gotta say, I love the packaging. I don't mind the shower gel. The shower gel is okay. My mom likes this one. It's a little sweeter in the shower gel. I almost feel like it smells like one of those coconut snowballs in the shower gel. I don't mind the shower gel. I just don't like it in the mist. And then we have Bright Christmas Morning in the orange. A lot of people don't like this one either. Ripe red berries, blood orange, and crisp apple. That blood orange note's super intense. It smells like a Christmas punch. I don't mind it this year as much as I didn't like it last year. But it's definitely like a Christmas punch. If you like blood orange, you're going to love it. Again, I like the shower gel a little bit better. It's super fruity. It's a little bit sweeter. It almost smells like a fruity cotton candy punch in the shower gel. I'll use the shower gel. These are actually the lowest price too. So these are $16.95, which means that you can use your app rewards. The question that I want to know is what else is coming in this collection. I haven't checked out Tessa's blog to see if she knows what else is coming in this collection. I'm assuming there's probably going to be at least 2 or 3 more. My guess would be. I can't imagine this is just a 3 set series. 'Tis the Season, Winterberry Ice. I don't know if we're getting some of the new stuff in this one. Where's Christmas Cookies? Christmas Cookies would really make sense. They might do that online exclusive. I think it was online like last year, which may be why we're not seeing it in the sneak peeks. I really hope they bring Christmas Cookies back in at least something, but it would make sense if it was in this collection. So, interesting collection so far. I don't know what's coming next, but oh my gosh, you guys, I got a lot to say about this Jolly Gingerbread Village. This is the most perplexing Scooby-Doo mystery set. Got my gingerbread man back here, by the way. It would have been so perfect, even if they made, you know what? Even if this was like iced cinnamon rolls. Remember we had iced cinnamon rolls? Was it iced cinnamon rolls? What was the one with the bubble gum and the vanilla orange swirl? Was that iced cinnamon rolls? I think it might have been. Anyway, that would have been really good for Christmas. Hey, Big Scooby-Doo Mysteries Mega Body Care Day is on the way. As soon as I get more information about that, we're going to be talking about deals. We're going to be talking about how to get the best prices for everything. We're going to break it all down. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight. It's late night with Bonnie tonight. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.